This is it. They're just not sticking. Maybe you've tried it already. Still, every day feels like a constant battle. The first few days, it wasn't that bad. Now, it's really starting to hit. Getting out of bed at 5 a.m. is not getting any easier. Going to the gym every day has become a titanic struggle. These new habits are just not sticking. This road gets harder and harder to go through by the minute. By now, you must be doubting yourself. Why did I decide to change my life in the first place? Is it even worth it? You feel you just can't take it anymore. And to make matters worse, your old habits are starting to reappear. Your body is missing its old ways and wants to come back to them. All of a sudden, giving up on your goals you set at the beginning of the year doesn't sound so bad. After all, you just don't have any strength left to keep going. It's just too much to bear. If you feel like this is you, don't feel bad about it. We've all been there when we tried to change our lives for the better. Now, what if I told you there's a reason why things aren't getting any easier for you? I mean, leaving your old bad habits behind is hard enough already for you to make it harder on yourself. Want to know what the reason is? You are fighting the effects of your bad habit and not the root cause. What do I mean by that? When you battle yourself to get up early, you're addressing the effect. Trying to resist the urge to go to McDonald's is fighting the effect. If you truly want to eliminate this bad habit from your life, you need to get to the core. You need to dig deep within yourself and ask yourself some tough questions until you get to the root cause, to drill down to what's triggering your bad habits in the first place. For example, if you have trouble sleeping early, your drill would go something like this. Why can I wake up early? Because I'm tired. Why am I tired? Because I didn't sleep enough. Why didn't I sleep enough? Because I went to bed at 12 a.m. Why did I go to bed so late? Because I was 2 hours on my phone scrolling through Facebook. Why did I do that? Because I cannot manage my time properly. There you go. You got to what's causing your habit in the first place. Now that you know this, you can focus on learning how to manage your time properly and not on fighting the alarm clock every morning. Good thing is this, making your bad habits disappear becomes easier once you know what's causing them. Now you're putting all your effects into things that don't make a difference. Instead, you're focusing on what truly matters. And when you do this, victory is inevitable. I hope you found this podcast informative. If you have any comments about this or the other episodes, please comment below. I'll be looking forward to reading them. Until next time, goodbye everybody. The Rocking L Show.